Today is January 2nd. I am here at my kids' room right there, and I'm about to go in there and redecorate their bedroom for them that I've been wanting to do for a while now. And it's also something that they had put on their Christmas list this year. So, about that. We have not celebrated Christmas with the kids yet. They've been gone since the Monday before Christmas Day. They've been with their grandparents. Yeah, so we just haven't done Christmas here. I know, it's January 2nd. But my Christmas tree is still up. Their gifts are still under the tree. And so I'm doing the final gift today. Going to go in there and completely redo the room. They're going to be super, super surprised when they come back tomorrow. And I know they're going to love it, but I hope they're going to love it. If you're interested in seeing how I redo their room, let's go. So this is the before. Not really a lot going on. I already took all the bedding off and washed the old bedding. So yeah, let's make it do it. Okay, so I'm done clearing out the whole room. I got all the old stuff out and vacuumed the floor, make sure everything is clear, and about to get started. If you're wondering what this is the good old chore list. It's staying there, or I might find another place for it. But this is everything that I purchased that I'm going to be using to redecorate the room. I will show you guys how it turns out. Pretty much done with the room. It is about 8:50 p.m. My feet hurt, my back hurts, everything hurts. So I'm about to eat some food and I will show you guys the final look in the morning. Good morning, guys. I'm rested, I'm feeling good. I am super excited to show you guys the kids' room. I love it. I'm so excited for them. I'm so happy with how it turned out. They each have like their own little space now, which I think is going to be great for them. There's a few extra things that we do need to do, like hang the TV up on the wall. And I also kind of feel like now I need to find some type of chair because we will be hooking up a game console in there. So those are the only few little things that we need to do. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this is what I've done. I love it. I think it looks so cute. So yeah, I was struggling with exactly how I was gonna divide the space because it's, as you can see, it's not that big of a space in here. So pretty much made this side Skies and this side Harlem's, although we will be hanging the TV right here. But this will mainly, you know, be his side for things and her side for things. So it gives them some separation. So just to let you guys know where I got a couple of these items from. I got these two photos from Ross. And it looks like this one might be crooked, so looks like I might need to fix that one. I just left out a couple of things for him that he uses pretty often, like his monster truck, soccer ball, and a couple of books that he's reading and his leftover Halloween candy. And these letters here I got from Hobby Lobby. I was having a hard time finding things that went with his theme, which is Avengers and Marvel. And so I was in Hobby Lobby and stumbled upon these, and I was like, oh my god, these are so perfect. I have to get them. So I got those. That is also from Hobby Lobby. And then his bedding is from Walmart. He is going to love that. And then I just got some throw pillows for him to lounge around on as well. Also this is from Hobby Lobby. This is a space for him to come and hang his backpack after school, so it doesn't have to be on the floor. Tired of seeing the backpack on the floor. And this is Sky's section. This is her bed. I got this from Hobby Lobby. These lights are from Hobby Lobby. This white polka dot pillow is from Hobby Lobby. In case you're wondering, this bunk bed I got from, let me see, we got this bunk bed from, I believe we got this bunk bed from Living Spaces. Yeah, we got this bunk bed from Living Spaces. So I was struggling to find a bunk bed for a long time because I couldn't find one that was tall enough. I wanted one as like where you can see how Sky has a lot of extra space and she can sit up under there. And so a lot of times bunk beds are pretty short, but I was super excited when I was able to find this one because it just gives her a lot of space to hang out around there. So I wanted to make this somewhere that she can lounge. You know, she spends a lot of time in her room, on her phone, on YouTube, and so yeah, I thought this space would be so cute for her. I got the black pillows and the white pillows from Walmart, and then the pink one came with the bedding, which I got from JCPenney. I was one of those last minute Christmas shopping moms, and so I got this the day before Christmas. This was the last one. So I love this. It's so cute. I think she's going to love it. And then over here, we went ahead and bought some new storage bins, which they will have to fill later with other junk. I got these from Walmart. She already had this unicorn piggy bank. So kept that, and this is a place for her now to put her jewelry. I got this in Paris when I went a couple of years ago. They have done something with it now where the bottom of it is blue, but I just decided that that would be kind of cute over here. And then this area is where Sky can do her homework. She was doing her homework at the dining room table, and I just think that it was important for her to have a space where she could come and not be distracted and get her work done. I got this at Hobby Lobby. The flowers were from Hobby Lobby. Just hung those up. This photo is from Hobby Lobby. This calendar is from Dollar Tree. I thought it would be nice for her to, you know, learn to put things that are important on her calendar. So I got her that. This desk is from Walmart. It's so cute and small and doesn't take up a lot of space. And it also, I got it really like because it also has these USB outlets. And then I got this chair. I wanted a chair that wasn't going to take up too much space and one that she wasn't going to have to roll back and forth because obviously this is carpet. So I found this. It's so cute. It's from Hobby Lobby. And the legs of it are gold, which I was like, okay, gotta have this. And this painting I got from a friend that I went to high school with. She actually made this. She owns a company that makes these. And Sky also has a space to now hang her backpack. So no backpacks on the floor. So this is the room, you guys. You know, I did say I was going to leave the chore list there. Now I'm feeling like I want to get like a chalkboard or something to write the chores on because it doesn't really go with our look anymore. So I'm gonna work on that. And then, like I said, we will be hanging their TV here so that they can have their PlayStation. And yeah, I love it. They will be here in about an hour or so. So I'm super excited to show it to them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
my god. Oh! Oh! Look at this bed. Oh my god, look! This is so pretty. Have my own desk.
Do you like it?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Do you like your stuff, Harlow?
I'm gonna get this. You know, I don't have nothing to do with this man here. You guys got you got your backpack hooks for your backpack.
Oh,
H for Harlem, S for Sky.
look at this bed.
Does Sky have lights?
Oh.
The other ones you have to plug in.
Harlem, you see your covers and your pillows?
Yeah.
Huh? Who was that on that pillow up there?
Captain America and Iron Man.
Who was that on the pillow though?
So great.
Huh? Groot?
Yeah.
Look at it. And they say your name and Captain America Heroes. And what that say? Can you read that?
Your name right there.